Static at the moment, doing some warm-ups, so hopefully Duncan on cameras can pick out Mudryk. He looked pretty relaxed as he walked out there. He's been speaking to the club media, actually, has the 22-year-old who's got that big new deal, that long deal, that expensive deal. Can't wait to start, he says. He says he's excited. He says it's a big club, the kind of big club he's always dreamed of being a part of. Happy to be here. His game, he says, is based on working hard, and that's exactly what he'll be doing. He says he'll be working hard, and you know what a forward line Chelsea could have when everyone's fit, particularly with the other new man so far, with all the signings they made so far this January window, and that's João Felix. Again, he's out there. He seems to be going out to training with the other Portuguese speakers, including Thiago Silva. So obviously the veteran of the squad, keeping an eye out for the still youngster. He's still only 23, even though he seems to have been around for a long time, doesn't he? He had all that promise. He was the wonder kid of Portugal, wasn't he? Hasn't really lived up to that promise at Atletico, but big hopes for him here on this loan with Chelsea. Won't be involved, of course, against Liverpool. Not the best start in the world, picking up that red card first time out. But what they've seen of him here on the training pitch, what they've seen of his character here at the training ground, they're very, very pleased to have him as part of the group. Of course, more signings to come, I'm sure, as Chelsea flash the cash, a bit like they used to do. Let's talk about the man you mentioned there, the man Mudryk. He's having his first training session with his Chelsea teammates today. He's obviously trained away from them, but this is his first one out with the group. The sun is out. It's very, very bright, as you said, Rob. So and they are quite a long way away, as tends to be the case in these Premier League training sessions. But they're pretty static at the moment, doing some warm-ups, so hopefully Duncan on cameras can pick out Mudryk. He looked pretty relaxed as he walked out there. He's been speaking to the club media, actually, has the 22-year-old who's got that big new deal, that long deal, that expensive deal. Can't wait to start, he says. He says he's excited. He says it's a big club, the kind of big club he's always dreamed of being a part of. Happy to be here. His game, he says, is based on working hard, and that's exactly what he'll be doing. He says he'll be working hard, and you know what a forward line Chelsea could have when everyone's fit, particularly with the other new man so far, with all the signings they made so far this January.
Atinka FNF, Atinka TV takwade tano krom, mo monam takwade kwantemponsa na semunam kumasi a mo kwa takwade no utu aya takwade tano krom. One in town watching us, one in town once or no, what in media say, when say, one in town watching the attack for him. Well, and I think, a hotel FM also Ibutua, and Yasam go to a nationwide, not just a global commentary, dear, not just over T and Can, and of course, talk about the Western region, and Yasam go to a Krabusia. Memo Comerson Krabu funny that dear Fanchim Prukusunia, the young mountain, and my G. Kokumenia bre papa. National shoes a dear question what you made so. Yeah, but now we don't provide solutions, and presenters media guys see radio so we are not providing solutions. Yankaza chinchina chimuye nisia ne beye ye nemum ye kire ya adwen said ye wososo ofia na also wote wa adwen say ye kire ya adwen no threat ye threat ye niatem what you say now we no test presenter yes ya hwe no ka say ye do baby ye titum say some of us we go personal but ye tienie ensem bi wo ha was ye timi address na Ghana you see mpanifo na ye di anim no womo ka yes not to say it me dimu no womo so etomani abesha boa ema no makoyie eni ntana gye woti enka ko Facebook live na search ye I the search engine Agyenkwa FM Kumase Agyenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 Agyenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 ebusuya na se koma twediampon nyankropon and January 30th the boys are still praying twediampon nyankropon chena ebisef ebinko na ebimbra MC Joe na me star say hey busumi ko na bisumrai now the one is one person obeko but wachina ejeba joba wachina aye January busumi ɛda ɛtɔso eduasa baako na fe ukuoda Wednesday bonds nyina yedamu sungo kra the month of love and start on Wednesday into Kwaku penny na se the general manager ewa Agyenkwa femfia bi eyes Prince Atajemfi one e penny nyina wo fia ye Kwaku me so ametia me si me Kwaku Cassidy Akini e Kwaku so Wednesday ye ne anim odon die ne de hyase nti nyasem kotwa Cassidy enko Facebook Yehodada mamenye no mamyensa bi ntente na memfemfiri wo Isaac Paint da Ghana fo nyina ase Isaac Paint Enterprise Isaac Mau Paint ama odi to them Isaac Paint edonipa Isaac Paint ewa ho brase Isaac Paint Enterprise wono na cheso paint won se wo do ha nyina kwadan no awo kumasia ahobrasem nyina paint seller awo kumasia professional paint dealer they paint no e de fro bi manso amonone American mountain so land mount chesebe bro jipani nyina wo ehona na Isaac Paint Enterprise the paint no de ba anti say we tiem ya na dua ye branches name ye no ye piemu awo the nations Wembley one ye kra de tin so we paint dia no a professional painter but temso udu de temso busa control afie na brosa na si wona se pe o sabeka ye Joshua baako wono eye Isaac Paint Enterprise afene kese pa okumase ya utani wani adiche crow from traffic light o sane akọ Boliga station before we branch no abrose bia gidin crow for tipsy boaten eho ana sabeka Isaac Paint Enterprise abrosana so our tipsy abrosana se utu sabeka emotion paint American paint semi-gloss waterproof paint just a paint munina paint bia a ebo no eda from efi amonone aba enya sankotra meka sei na wotwe wie ye weekend paint flip aye ship so abedu krom ha de nam wiem so abedu krom anya sankotra aye Isaac Paint Enterprise na kache na make informative for Agyenkwa Total Sports Atinka Media Village and yesisi dia Ntupe paint dia fan number is ni nkomo so therefore ya to nka number 0243 97 57 56 0243 97 57 56 paint munyina kukudam aye Agyenkwa Paint Enterprise Cassidy Akini ye juma ni nyina me pa Total Sports nam ya se aboti fo bia se gam so dabi di aboti munya sansam na keka dia ye kasa aboti atese sei but on the most note down the wusu akasa wase kane na ne ye sode a ye hoahoa ye ho se ye football nation o Ghana enkofo bi mo meso me kamedi aka ho esi ye ka Ghana pa ye football no different and this kanya ne kasa oh my Ghana the yes talent in the will be but people are mismanaging our talent for their selfish interest internet or money nyina kono just say enjoy football ni biem because a year day in the sea say a nation like Niger yes of with all due respect and common Niger man me sure say Niger fogu krom ha ebi pesika e de akomu krom but on any day a Black Stars of Ghana is here kanya because of your 2-3 years Niger me kind of free just like that I know 1-0 I have 2 unanswered goals so people are mismanaging and then for their own selfish interests internet nano go atem didie mesi me bia metia na mehwe ball I was in shame but not just it was very appalling. The diff from goalkeeper Dalad Ibrahim attempt to the last man Kofi Koji. Obia attempt the deal kwa. Tria kai masa. If one near ball papa. If one near ball papa. If one near ball papa. Na arre wopa. Nano na utamo crutches a place and you can no money na bruso. ebi age 35 years nti ibana sana ono krampo no in football age no na say on the foot of play to go against Ghana nti oman no ye plays a parody ya ano worker with due respect head coach when it could be mentioned mama ncho could be mentioned chikakra Mike Lesia more time national under 17 airco tournament there was a player nanko nimbo power from Western region but a plenty could be mentioned and me unko be into Mike Lesia ubusana na danfu bako pa wa Ghana as far as football air concern air could be mentioned from Western region takrade okoye juma akranzima now, no summer test 1996, he was a member. Now he was part. Masudi Dramani, so 3 coaches and I did blasters, Galaxy Koye. So you can imagine. Namaminka Samutamin Kabium. Miankasa on from day one, the blast of the whistle. And who say, problem as I say, you're facing Ghana here. I had the mentality of our players. Because from players from which Black Galaxy, when you know Musia Kenya, or Munimsa scout of Robert Crom Wentino, will be a bob on the Amano, 2 individual brilliances. Because a person who took Kanoya Boga, and Tiam was a year from a dear tea, now a bangana in your contract to Al Hilal in Sudan, per speculations. And to place in one camp, which I am not against it, because a million years here, naming himself Ghana local league, now betting less than 1,000 Ghana cities. Now a team from Togo, a team from Tanzania, a team from Sudan, a team from nearby countries, and man 10,000 Ghana cities are. Share, Mimini wana beka Jimmy and say, woman a chance man into Minko. And into a place Nijina Park Nizunina, in as much as Musia kind of individual brilliance was an action be able to say your tono. Now we tell League Nobo. No, a foreign based player. And your Togo Hakrana, your man 10,000 Ghana cities are okay. And into your career, then you say, a Ghana film. Ayara was some football. Ebia went to them because yes, it is football now in Macedonia. It means Germany, it is agreed. Macedonia, Obekaya in World Cup, one more qualifiers, no, one more to miss Germany, it is agreed. Now Japan, it means Germany, it is agreed. Now Japan, it means Spain in the World Cup, it is agreed. But go and watch the way one more manage some football, friends and chronics. Bien mewie amna Philip mbab ebe kansa na fe George and so akakrebi ye me fire me fire bia obi me fire ye say this is not a solution. Now Premier League in Ghana Ashanti Kotoko now the trainer said they will ship aye Kotoku Royals from Eastern region and na supporters of Ashanti Kotoko enu abehwe Rashid Note. Well, Bermuda come after Sir Brandt when they say, Richmond Lamptey, right? A boy in a van. No, me can't do prior. No,
Richmond
Lamptey. We pray like Beshe, and Yap Akwe, not as a brand new. Use me and let Kumasi Mouse Kumasi for the what if a bonnet Tamoka Krabi? Hey, not just a commentators, just a monitoring commentary position. Nanyasam Kotua, not in Kumasi now. After your quotidian Sanjuko the Bronibia, hey, Broni Wedi, and about you saying now, Yasam Kotua. Maminia wishes women now. Memfa foreign so the country. But before that, Tony Oben. As unpaid bonuses, not the reason for Black Galaxy's elimination. And then GFA secure more communication gadget to aid officiating. Of course, Ghana legend Dan Owusu, Ghanaian clubs are presently far from being mentioned among the elite club on the continent. Wano Dan Owusu GPL transfer update. Ashanti Gold case postponed to 3rd February. One also issues on board. I have been come on now. You said the tier Kotoko House of Folk Adriana, and then points, 1.1 points, and I take in term now. Call Division 1 Nations FC weekend any Pacific Heroes will be in 1 point at the Kofi. emu odrim pa na no nkomo kakra meeting watakra de kire say Dabuasi base and western region before bedu Shama and in Chaban they branch road to Takrade into a branch Dabuasi a Sky Football Club and a LED I was on two entire crucial just anya some go about a first one team baby a Sky Football Clubs on with the grader and the bed to a mountain one also I am some muno no possible because Cristiano dos Santos Ronaldo in Saudi Arabia and confirmed Rony Papa and Yasim Kotra Chelsea Enzo Fernandez what's in a deadline in Bequana Yanam and Mantama Bayan Wajma Rashidi Akini Baba na Yabedun Commander 10 years Messi Akasa was it was a dream come true. Lionel Messi first speech after World Cup trophy. One also I am some about triumphant. One also I am some about Messi was in Yankupa and Akuma Swediana. At me at the man Copa del Real Barcelona drawn against Real Madrid in a second Clasico of the year. Then João Cancelo from Man City to Bayern Munich in Bundesliga. One also Komoha Bosniabo and our continent. When is some penny a day, but away in prison. Way in prison in Brazil. I will accept whatever comes out. Danny Alves tells our fellow prisoners. Yes, no, or your prison, not just how do you call it in English? Since I sing it is Yano. Yes, Piamon, our prison, what you are done, Yasam Kotwa. Was it your best now? Come be answered because one them 18 years now is ready. As when your new family in prisoner and Yasim Kutra Quantuan some P and I did but sweet go to Ben and Tikumasim, sweet go to Man and Tigana, no problem. You're training your drivers on your monitor your drivers Nina, only so sweet go. The moment I been your app, not your 2 Android for us iPhones and also phone the Kutawan your man 40 to 100% discount. One no I sweet go some main chance and to men so go to a Play Store and also Apple Play Store no nothing go and also next search Sweet Go one no SWIFT Sweet Go nothing ever app no for go so download in the camera now follow instructions now Sweet Go give you excellence in motion. Sweet Go proudly Ghanaian and then safe, reliable, affordable. With Sweet Go the easiest way to move around in Ghana and of course in Kumasi. To me my downloading media I'm enjoying Sweet Go and Yasim Kutra crowd your Bomadian Sobeko place was this year. Now about Sweet Go SWIFT Sweet Go. That's a track on our commission now me enjoy the Premier League. Sasuna Copa del Real games of course EFA games of course and then games of course Saudi Arabia near the Qatar League ne Ghana Premier League ni na say I was so professional aye dealer what on decoders I will Kumasi ya identical report junction and as a report kotoko dance udua na shipas no opposite on sabe come Bash digital satellite see decoder na open and now here a power and as aye this dia na aye Bash digital satellite aso ye and also with me kwa Brighton or professional installers one more year Juma Kumasi and number aye 05562877757 05562877756 one aye Bash digital satellite one no enkratrom and am there to jam am a phenomenon quick one moment for 6 minutes now ye nin common of your kobana dia kebia yet me at the trust more wishes me no crucial wishes me no fear ha ene meye na etievo so ehu said yet okay meti at your bobo so Kwaku Cassidy with from me kemu see the anadua trase about think fear Agyenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 MC yanko 6 minutes.
Yes, Kwaku mami ntie for ina na
so ukra phone nti o dey time na ma wo dey do an wagina because no person we nesa we na ya prapra kwamu so na wo be so 6 minutes dey do an to 7 me braso so problem the Philips buy no so time so ya se go come time so no so
on kra dey me akra metimi akoso
na ofurugu no no
we 4 years ago
okay
made me birthday na me mate ba ko bi na me we UCC na we dey free north the money me, but
and it's all birthday, so I think this week.
Yami Adman next week.
Next week.
And the week, Pepe.
Originally, Bobby.
Obia, no,
originally,
but Kwaku.
Oh, but original for goodness. What's a mood?
Kwaku, when I'm calling service for 1 year, and I've been in the north for some time.
Now, wow, your service 1 year will be a what's now.
No,
but 6 minutes, but I'm because Sabiano, they say, Assad 4 years ago, 300 Ghana cedis. Ubia, when Nimfugumu be an number Facebook normally. It was Daniel Free Banyam, they come on war a Katai. I'm not supposed to so one who say, Omudian, originally be an answer. I mean, Ubia in the war. That's at 4 years ago. Now try the 250 300. Yami had my next week so. Yami had my next week so. I am a birthday. Oh, sitting I know wow. Oh, Jana be any ones who make my high end of your had. Kakrabi wo Chan. I'm saying no and say if you abana yedi.
If you abana.
Na Yami no krenim. Me posted on Facebook. And now Crawford say, so are you expecting us to beat Germany, England, and whatever? The point is that countries are serious or more football. No? It is so glaring. Obiehu. Ebeya me ya sa wo Ghana ha. Na se won kwanu to me can say Ghana football. Ye ni problem. Sebe se mi so de meka ebia. Na BB how
no man and Casa to me any problem.
So football and what some but the fundamentals are weak. All angles. But football is a programming.
What makes your fundamentals look so weak? A debe no man is so weak.
Say o fie na say efie akwala bia afiri pie na say bi wo mu ade a. It means that should be a wufriba. It is never true. So because psychology can cry no be and the layman's understanding. Kwaku be and ya won China no be country. Obi and ya won north na on to mean ka north for kasa. The point is that baby a wufri no e won your ma etumi e ka wo. Say your fundamentals in you weaker, it means that we are having a weak leadership. Because yes, it's a penia or shaman colari nankano. Ye cananka refua. What can we be grano and quano at Rebako? But because of why Yasha high, ma dare not say, I dare not so say, but the problem, me a hammy. Metis will be a can once man I hammy say. I'm off to meet the crew, Hanum, no mood defend it. Now, if you are not hungry,
Jones Benham would defend it.
Would defend it because. Yeah, Ghana, the wow, can see a league in here. Now,
me personally, I'm not looking at the results. Honestly, me share results, no. But I'm looking at how, as we said, a player you did manage football. Oh, other countries, when they said things are changing. Because I'm coming. Sudan were part of this tournament.
Exactly.
With the best show too, no mama. But some of them they have been eliminated.
Yeah, exactly.
So meaning that even Ghana will progress ahead of them.
Sudan for
But and then when you go to Sudanese league, one of our talisman player by Akwa Sebi, where you could be there with your team anymore. At less than 24 hours. Report in your just say a bangana person in medicals, iron BBR, or Sudan, I was your kind. And I'm saying, so what is happening?
So the point is that Kwakunim, Nina na Kwakwa say, said na woka no. I'm say we intro no woka bibi say. Obi ana wo bobo nbia wo hye ne dimi na.
Total sports.
Now say player bisa.
Okay.
Say ne dimi na ebe say wo pe baby dia kwa. Eje make say the fundamentals are weak because if the fundamentals are strong, player bia wo tournament no first thing eye ne man egina komam. Answer any other thing. First need to make tournament. You ever say in your master football, Sikabi Uramudie. But first no tournament, I won't mind na coma. Edda, can you tell me say Argentina for a call World Cup? Were they the best players and a country be the corner? No. But the point is that what she said they're not omuku ebo boa. They were not thinking about money. They were thinking about the glory and be making to themselves. And then you can say the World Cup in 2022. Now you bought Mark Alistair Edin or bought Brighton and Hose Albion.
Mami Mintuano, Gina Poso. I say you too quiet. Na Kwaku kurase na Christmas me too quiet. I know the things I enjoy in Kumasi. Into me ko yen na me penentama befi. Me pentaba Kumasi. Because I know say with Kumasi me just should go. With Kumasi me not big places to enjoy. But kukomu no onya bisa. Me twa me na mesi. But me ntimi nyesa. It me adwene na wo. Say me ko Kumasi. Now it's like because baby me adwuma I'm okay. I hope you understand me.
Of course.
I'm in a big city.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Now, may Kwaku say, players need to quite no. The fundamental 9% can we now say, when you league got players on about Division 1 players, I think Division 2 players, and then the Premier League players, and then the court condition. The over Division 2, if Division 2 player, more you see him trying to cover Kroma. But also the over Division 1 crana hin ye piano wahin. Ewo Kroma. Na Premier League play bu ho when you say ba oba no. You have a tournament we manasa aba back to Ghana. Aba receive less than 2,000 Ghana cedis. Oba be there. Oba there. I don't remember individual football. Na scout of one. Oba no. Minko. So you understand? So if a player but say Gina Park na Osia Kanya, don't expect anything good from them.
Kwaku game me patcho dem Matthias pa. It is so clear. Our point in here is so clear. But I can't person me the account when I see for make fundamentals. Yes. If we don't build from the fundamentals, no matter what, they be able to drag from. We are not about to say we sit down na foundation no anya strong. We sit down no cost they be able to drag from. If you don't share Ghana, your successes in football. You ask yourself and say, where were those players? Now, Ghana, you're under 17, under 20. Success in Nano. Go back and check. Those were the players that they picked them from coach team, from schools and colleges team. Ebrana Sule Muntari. Ye free Kumasi school, secondary school. Okay, and you didn't call team nimu. Utie a Dombo Tenu Chastilla Nuna. Almost at that time no more call you know. Na yedi Sule every honmaba. Na Michael Essien ewo St. Augustine's schools and colleges. Enti wo hwe emrantie na abona kakra bi na yedi free abonti, of course that is also normal. But say yanhwe ye football no from the scratch. Ne de bia be call a tournament we di player be wura mu bi. Chief of staff didn't be wuram, we secretary didn't be kobi. Ye be go fiat. Ye league. Players just 7 goals. One Kobe, there was a one and a lead the attack our chan tournament. Obiahu a friend say, Kofi Koji, boy or boy, Ghana Haliga ye boy, was a one. There was a 7 before the tournament, you know, Yan Kobe. There was a 6. We have 2 players or Masha 6 goals, Yan 4-1 Kobe. But there was a 1. And he had no coin. So it is the same story. Okay. You free walk up by say just open to now winger say no more 7 no Nikita the best tactics so it is about individuals and not about the country.
Okay, without due respect to Kofi Kozi, be any Kofi Kozi any problem. He's a Ghanaian. Wafu playing kwade. Bibia to me too no. Say play no koko na bibi ko too no. On that hono. Okay, we Niger for no. Philip, also by my kakra na sikadia ye. Metie me pesca pa. Biote bia pesca.
Because pesca
obia pesca. We scam me was say me subanti miniska mo say me subanti. What do you say? You say the root of all evil. Sa no mo kan but with that say no hu a na hu say. Ebi ma okutokumda. Now omano generally Ghana for a problem yesika. You more enjoy kromwa. People that will be music music mukuto komucha bia because Kwaku pa but make us be take mukuto almost about 100 200 Ghana billions but the normal Ghanaians are complaining say sika ho thing. I vraiment to your football is your place ni nyina dia dance say ampa omu nyina ni brisika and Brano Mubinano is scanty and a players no April. But only I can was any in Ebekano. Now let's look at what is happening now. Again, is Uganda. You're receiving as normal as people are defending. Some will be indicated. Will be in Yango.
Kwagwem said last week, me make a statement on the show. My make a say Ghana, the tagger, as a football nation. See, yes, I tag and I say, oh, I say Ghana, African Brazil.
Yeah,
you drew that point, you know, and yet you're far from your tenancy.
Near cow
And your cow.
Agyenkwa FM.
Oh, that was in the early 80s. And in some generation be in 2003, 4, 5, as a moja money, Michael Siamo, even that, according to me, achieve any major trophy. But we enjoy those players because everybody can attest to the fact that Stephen Appiah, one player who projected the name of Ghana High, playing for Juventus, benching Edgar Davis. That was, I mean, we have a new performance. It will marvel you. But maybe point I remember say can say Kwaku. You drew sa point one and you fa kunya ye tenase. And yet from you twe ani ani show mo free achieve but we are not making progress. Yanya ya say making progress bia. So that tag alone was enough for us. As I said Koisi Keja Fini or some do Edia outcomes new year. That has been the end of our football. Now MCA Rezi fundamentals how to build a very good fundamentals and all that. A very good point. Also, you are making a reference to money. See Okroma. Right to dream. Okay, right to dream her. At least I know about 6 players. Go and find out almost salaries. They are not paid in dollars.
Okay.
They are not paid in huge sum of amounts. But Kwaku, that football fundamentals didn't know. That team every year be a 1 ton players a woman kwabuche when you 6-7. Edientia. Adeni after the football na nkasa for the fundamentals of football no. What the or quality and so top notch coaches are omo dey inco KT boys nim because that is money. As a footballer kwaku sika how you play. Because one team mo ball ni ya, how would you even be spotted? So after China, you say a bagner remo Sudan. Medical Jama Ahela. But Minumia Bagna is a very fine player, even before the Chan. We see a kind of out to you in players are in Timsa or more episode or more the signature of David Abagna Sanda. Kotokokam House of Folk. The latest one was House of Folk out to you for a depressed statement by say, boy, no, out for energy because you don't turn in out on the Chadama has. And
Total Sports.
Kwaku. These are the same players that Obouba qualifies. 101.9. Maybe with the exception of Kofi Koji. For me, when you're a surprise caller. Because I will miss a free year, will lead Ghana Premier League goalkeeper by 7 goals. It's a cook out to you, 6 goals. They are Ghanaians. But who decided to be a watcher 1 goal? Minimum the objective are. A coach and all kind of technical team, no. Coach, it could be a secondary matter. In other words, say when you strike a beer, you are being assessed by the goals I will say. But maybe I don't coach you ne attribute you who where the friend no wasn't about the scoring goals. Which I mean no. So mo pay be catch there sir, e be ya pa. Because you are calling a striker. And you are telling us that it's not about scoring goals. Goal scoring now the friend there. Now, secondary duty be a person acquire the mount our channel. Some of us, that
was defendants under the by.
That
is
yes, because if you are basing on goal scoring, he shouldn't have gotten the note over Misaka free of Brokum Chelsea.
On the sweep.
Oh, but see a question, no pride. No pride. It's a cooker. How to you? On pride.
6 goals.
At the minute point, they say. Apparently, the technical team by Spain, saying Kofi Koji call up was based on this and that, but not goal scoring. Which I mean, because fresh striker, obviously goal scoring goals, win new points, win new gates. Any Kwaku someone who have free sra. Who want to show us also yet? Now MCM highlight on collapse. Ebiana making. But me feel say players no more qualifies no. Anya Shukra coach is from 99%. Now more about individual performance than to think of the nation. Kwaku say players is your quality players you are. That's will be money in the individual effort. Obviously, say the team will gel and I'm because let's say Daniel Free Banya is playing to the above himself. But
mostly when it happens like that, kill the whole team. So Biakas was born individual to himself. So because Abangna kwe. Obisu nyanko no so beko.
Abangna wo she go say wo China.
On she be
very good. But he's going.
But ne ball bi o ball kakra no.
So a team
player. Abangna beko yante so beko Sudan na otre.
Yeah baby.
Yante so beko Sudan.
In the China na obviously.
Good.
E Abangna ednepi. Nti dia me kan say players ne de. So what catch them say are these the best players and here more Ghana? Of course 98%.
Okay.
On collapse no, but me feel say the problem is our local content of football. We the DJ team no, they were not bad. So I'm going to eliminate Cameroon. The main argument ni be see say how are your local product no, that is where the problem comes from.
Okay.
It's not about another team or the coach. And I say another change is be acquire your armor. Clearly, we didn't then jail for I was watching.
No, didn't manage team
because they are working. The fundamentals are there. Player go 30 years. Na ebia born no control cry din. Oh, born say oh ebia onye Premier League bi ebo. Yen say ntwe ne kaye. Adam Beka cho say this people club and same board no. Omo kase strictly omo go by the rules and regulations are. One where Premier League they move out of there 80 clubs na yebo CCN. E move 10 and qualify some Premier League no. Okay. These are all factors.
Okay.
It means say your local content of football no. Kwaku they say when we were highly exposed.
Yeah, but sir, but expose now again or see Bibia has soon clearly say our football is down.
Of course.
Of course. You provide solutions to them say nyansa in penny for around the football, but at least yes we are teaching you who dear ego. Keto Kreku Bessorano Paba Drinning, maybe to some in Quaya Bible League. I said, and Cassia drink or minor football. Yenya Sika, Nian Cassia the $1 million air tour for media promotions. How many pitches, how many astroturfs, and you for a national team? Do you even have a hostel another
for
issue.
A national team?
Another issue.
But with a whole lot of issues.
A lot of issues. Like I'm saying, good. Yeah, Juma, Nabosume, Yenya Kakrawasi.
That is the point.
Metriamini Quaya Kotoko. And then you league never organizing that is not my job. I care to be out or not so well bushia. I didn't see her. So at the end of the day, when Kurt is being paid, many problem. When there is a problem at the GFA, it is not me, it is not you, it is not it is somebody called Henry Asante. Why don't you so money in a one Casamaya football? And he needs to be paid. So I don't have any problem when Henry is being paid by the GFA. But the TN say more high what do you say? Philip, right after the blast of the whistle, referee born, local foreign neighbor. No locally based player should ever say a better reduce they need to be called into our Black Stars proper.
I think that person wasn't fair.
Because me after any time I'm sure I call social platforms. Though I'm silent, I don't talk, but I'm sure the opinions of how people act reacting. And who say boys said you are sorry activities in your time. They need to call up local based components and those things for them to play for Black Stars. No, they should make a case. Yeah. Nan komunko time in case a call up be bar for Ivory Coast 2023 years 20 year could be able to nan kemu be makase or say this local component because or might justify the tournament be organized in Africa. I is treated for local base, but I'm So how do you justify say you could have good component? But when you say they're okay, they are players who merited to go and play. But the call up to go because in 2010 there was a player, Bia, your core tournament in Angola. Now speculated and speculations yet here. Your boy you know say. Unse we are saying so one for password will be bimwa na akoye ni wo ho nti don't know fees are merited to play for Black Stars no not a percentage be ourselves otria man penifo no that is why he has been called boy ne catch almost a massa me to me merited to play for Ghana. I'm not going to give a damn to anybody.
101.9
and the player was dropped after the 2010 and that's in there. He's off because of money any point make me boni din with all. So now social media near powerful and plan din buy. Intino one say uko be undeserved to be there.
Na se wo hunu wo ho a abra obi o
meritia it was affect yama boy ya ombo mu din ya mo fi so mo ye better sin kofi koji
yeah be saka free em
and abom nyina and na be say afori om nyina say there is no good player in the country to represent the Black Stars.
And no at the point in time na bania we traditional winger near born as a false nine.
Why meanwhile you are false nine to do that job
very good. Yeah, got that bania as a false nine Kwaku in 30 seconds. There were exceptions.
Oh yes.
There were David Abagna Sanda. Nobody can question it, the quality of that boy. Daniel Fiye Barnier. Ghana will be a win. Ghana against Switzerland before the World Cup. For me, that game he was my best player for that match, and he was a local player. But they can say we shouldn't get few exceptions. See, if you say a local team, or say a local league, you know, at least I've conquered your World Cup there. I will say your local players the best 6-7 to be represented. At least AFCON. We are playing it on the continent. But Obifu say no local player deserves to be called into the national team. That is not the issue. The issue is that our local game is sinking.
It should be in safe hands.
Has already sink.
It should be in safe hands to call players that every Ghanaian player football be or merited and answer. Since we're Ghana or the ticket to play for Ghana, they make what they say. They make what they say. But you have to ask why me that say. You found news no to answer news no state base neighbor. But Rashid Mr. Mami nyami wishes enough here. Mami call a year or birthday 31st of January 2022. Mod award takradi. Mod. Modern. Vansa me yegu tinanti the mod happy birthday to you of Bogoso and they say a beautician.
Okay, beautician.
Yes. Or nyeni pakotwa and the picture Rashid picture to na gidi yanko yen
obi o hu obi ama no hwan
mod happy birthday to you. This is Takwa Dukujukrum, so the Takwa don't say that anymore. Good. Inti mod, yes, happy birthday to you. When I mention up, yes, one of down, Huachi, or Bakama, or Bonichichi. Inti mod, happy birthday to you. Twediam Punyanku points up, Messina Missanasa, mod, happy birthday to you. Now just be I for more than that honor. Bogos this year, come up, come on. Ono Gusano, Rashida Darumant, mod, or Selko Cassidy, and then Mimi, you show. Happy birthday, yeah, enlargement, and I come. Oh, shape in the down, children the down in the Munyambi Bia, 9 honam, so that dear mod, no, that's a Bia's wife. Into Yamisian pa. Mr. Mod, Yamisian, by your way, oh, Bogoso, or back come up, only General Dukukruma, Takrade, Bogoso, more than a down. Okay, I feel my moon crying saying, and as I'm saying, I was me, be a Biachapa, or never Nicasanti, Vero. On us, why he sign. Once I inside, would do I inside your once in a drum. Would do once in a drum. Very so a beauticians are Oh no, ye pedicures ni ade ono so na da ho no Veronica Asante me so me din di Asante sa music do tina very soon da ho no happy birthday to Veronica we nya nurses asem bia we nya nurses ye de eja yenanam ho na nti Veronica so na da ho no very soon no ti very nya minshira pa na just bia come Veronica Asante nya minshira pa Veronica Asante ahinsan ona subutu nyamishira pa vero wachina all on me
beautician's papa enti say
all on me all on God so all goes on me
why you dey na read
enti ya birthday me person say wo ko finesse say me Kwaku beauty
Kwaku beauty
Agovi Sazuna Buokrom Airfly.
Hey,
Buokrom Airfly.
Kate
Fosu. Kate birthday. Buokrom Airfly.
101.9.
Kate Fosu. A Kate birthday. And Kate is on Rashid a project na no
projector Rashid Yakini.
And the Kate Fosu at the Buokrom Airfly.
Okay.
A Kate birthday. And the Kate special happy birthday.
Okay.
And confirm scanning more now for the BIA and Kate no Kwaku. Or heavy pa.
Kwaku no.
Kate.
Hey. Okay. The promoter that's Rashid Yakini, the promoter. Kofi Menche. Why? Someone say.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
All right, inti we share young phone close to some kakrana na James so yenya no yentim emfama live on the show so ntim patcho we am no 72 join on Facebook Agyenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 patcho nto atimi a share feed no am e pia so atimi akokama nso atimi ade am show no am e pia so atimi adana kwa me emfa sere kese no entim emfama entrance University College of Health and Science fi so mo aboa men dey 2022-2023 academic year admission no yenye bia atum se ne rekosun adana adana can say degree in pharmacy onso jiwe na bipia so ntimi antana kom se de be ya uwuram onso hospital onso atimi aye adwuma as pharmacies ama bipia so atimi antana kom ni na no Topinko group of companies om school so atimi ada bomb onti open cancer Dr. Amotopen enso atimi ata no ma bipia so atimi akwa kama pa cho uwuram www.euchs.edu.gh obetimi anya form ni bi atimi apeke ma bipia so akokama ana so ofre 0509086631 obetimi enimpenifo di kwamana bipia so atimi antana kom no ni na no ade cancer entrance University College into kwa obetimi anya form ne bia peke mpacho no na chi ya je pene ama matches ne bia timi uremo Italy eno ayi Italian Serie A game pa kwa so 745 ya ade adwuma de ebe chance ya ade Udinese ene Chievo Verona ene betimi apom mpacho Spanish La Liga no ya ade game pa kon so betimi atocho ya ade aboboku a ya cancer ya PRL enso ene Rayo Vallecano enso betimi apom mpacho England no ya FA Cup run of 4 game pa kwa so ya Derby County ene aboboku and also you're from West Ham United and Chelsea so ebetime akosori piaso etime atada kwam we games and na twe betime atoto no piaso etime atada kwam mayenko piemo England and patro any story we etime emfamfa sha se ne piaso etime enkoye enchepi ene tima ye can say Everton be to transfer coach ye can say Frank James Lampard no so etime etane kwam atana kwa akoba ne se openia ye can say James Lampard akwa akwatire fie eno enso etime ebia konya enso etime de to ama Chelsea coaches awodo na eno mo edwo mo application that me uremo and they Everton some confirming to me from a former coach na ochiremo enso de ma Burnley bobokono opedi ya kan say St. Dyke omuso timi afarmo opedi no enso timi papa ya juma as head coach e dia ma Everton bobokono timi no kase no opedi ya kan say St. Dyke so won say season no on course of it na opedi ya kan say St. Dyke e jira daga timo etoto no ma enso timi e dia ma Everton bobokono na chane so so tene wa Agyenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 part opedi ya kan say St. Dyke before so oba be coach bobokono can say Everton we patch on the time with Bobo can say Burnley on as a coach with me up 258 games ni winning no me patch on a percentage a 27.9% as a winner and at so opening so to me patch out of 258 with me anya 7 wins and I'm patch draw and to me akwa 68 me patch dim go 118 to open here you can say yes and take or replace open here so you can say James Lampard and say and ne start Texas as a coach no enso etimi pia so etimi atada kwamo enso etimi ade mo pacho me no ka say Everton edane ya kan say 19 position atada kan say relegation no enso etimi threat to mo pia so etimi ade kama enso etimi ade mo pacho Leo Messi after so kwache World Cup ade ba Argentina for the very first time Leo Andre Messi kotochine campion me afa kin Leo enso etimi kwa team Mendo di posto ama dera kwa kopan so penia ye kan say Leo Messi at a time and ekopan say omanya kan say Argentina and so any Netherlands say share and so quarter final game no say Leo Messi and so to make ko share goma Leo Messi so etimi ade nsa koto na so etima den kopan say ne no empedifo keka so penia ye kan say Leo Messi so kwa ko chobobo kwa kan say ye chese ana so omanya ye for Netherlands coach ye kan say Louis van Gaal ama dera kopan Leo Messi ababa chiremo na ni na ne say at before and say Ntremune ebaba no na Leo Messi wo mo criticize say a former player for Argentina penia ye can say recall me chasa kanin so no say kan enso de ma bobo kwa kan san passa sa bra na one Manuel recall me enso timi ejiremo edema passa boko no na Louis van Gaal ejiremo chasa peni no etoto no ma edema passa tim no na ekopa ne so penia ye can say one Roma recall me any chasa Louis van Gaal enya beef kasi power passa bobo ko mo enti ekopa ne so penia ye can say one Roma recall me in on course of game a balance on your peria you can say chasa van Gaal year no aneto so peria Ono ye kan say chese recall me ede ne nsana to ne chese na so ati a openi na chemu say atemiti na sampoa ene chese odi to openi ye kan say Louis van Gaal eno ada na say na no chese World Cup etim ekọ so ma Leo Messi enso etim ekọ she go edi ti omanya ye kan say chese Netherlands ma Leo Messi so etim ede ne nsai adekoto na so ati ma chese o face openi a ye kan say Louis van Gaal no ne microphone so de abeto just say ate no so ade bi openi no so ade bo openi ye kan say chese Louis van Gaal ati na chese odi support the former teammate and Argentina national you can say just one Roma recall me na no Leo Messi so menka no biantia say ade no e ban say e natural enya ade no wasu say no so onye go no say dem Argentina on that game on so betime chere just ade no wetime celebrate on that matter open here can say Leo Messi and so wetime ade betu jet so say anya ade oye boapa ya na so say da say ade no okwa jubilate no so wetime ade tie obi fa ho de so a open here can say Leo Messi ade betu jampa cho wuremo e Bamunika ade na kwa koye official just full back and I can you tell and so Edema Manchester City opinion. You can say Jacques Cancelo, me no can say what I agree with Bobo can say away a Bamunika or so to make a copy as Lonia or so to make a copy academy Bobo can say Bamunika into opinion can say Jacques Cancelo on Copiamo I was City be a man crack etim apple which is opinion can say just a Jacques Cancelo before so that yes on opinion they can say Pep Guardiola etim commerce opinion when you offer every Bamunika into anymore and what just on so to copy or just a Bobo you can say Bamini Kuno Sakanti no Casino, a yadia 6 months and opinion on a sub branch. I can say Cancelo on so to me aqua podium above I can say Bamini and a piasso to me aqua pacho Lufino between 5 to 10 million euros and a just opinion so to me a column patron cra it may happen which is a Bamini I shall say a yadia branch and the money mono echo so need to me patro 70 million euros no on betting me activity as bar out closer and so to me the branch and so at me I stay probably can say Bamini at me attack or so piasso etimi akwa kama mpacho Chelsea brand here you can say Enzo Jamarias Fernandez no mpacho no can say contract Chelsea and so etimi ediko arasa bida Chelsea ediko pia of Benfica no ya dia brand and wajia tum so besi akan edi ama Chelsea de akasa Benfica etimi ajia tum say no 100 million euros Chelsea for so betimi atua no o betimi ajia tum mpacho no Benfica o mo de mo kan say brand say Chelsea for pena o any problem ne mo sikana Chelsea edi pana me mpacho 100 million euros no omo emfa 20 kama tane kopim 120 million euros ansa omo so timi aja brantia ye kan say Enzo Jeremias aya Ferentesimo omo no so timi akwa kosi akade ma Chelsea poboko no e pacho a classico beba so na dia ban ena nkrofo ebe kan me pacho ntepi ena a classico 2023 din kan eba so eno ekoso me atene kan say Super Copa de España e pacho ko bonus Barca eti poboko kan say Real Madrid e bomo e kan miensa omo so timi ete kan mu pa ko pacho ne te no perform extra the cancer Spanish football and the cancer La Liga etna say and no Copa del Rey semi-final games no when patron drawn on a patron say and a Copa e Kobani say El Clasico because on the 19th of March and so bet me Kobani say ne Pobokua you can say Real Madrid and so any Barca and they bet me Aponina no e Copa del Rey patron first game no e bet me akoso our Spotify company me patron we Ebani Baumo and they bet me akoso on the 9th of March me patron the second leg encounter e bet me akoso on the 26th of match and no any can say because so and so Spotify's company area passer for Homa and so bet me come and so to me them passer and Real Madrid Pobokodo a patrol room giant ye be passer almost so a body Bobokua you can say Real Madrid me patrol this year I didn't quite be so a passer and Madrid bet me Paku and 9 and so me patrol bet me and so on you can say match and put some Messi 2 and watch an April Barca and Real Madrid bet me 2 into Barca and Madrid and come say more and as you enter April Bosomono na ya tell Barca ni Real Madrid on so to me Paku and numero di ya can say to Paku pardon and the Bakawa sana bet me akwa ya and me pia so to me akwa kama na uni me say ya dear Charles Arsenal Bobokono muno ka say Brante can say ya Moise say Cassidy no wo enja Brante na 3 Joe ya dear opere can say Mikel Arteta wo suta and so to me they go the team penny for anim say no akwa pia so mo enti ko fa Brante no e ma cha so no so enti me mesi akan enti me emfa ma Arsenal de Ghana me patro sika and then the Brighton and Hove up am so enti me agye and so enti me free Arsenal Boboko no ne say wo say sika ne de from 70 million pounds ade Boboko a you can say Arsenal for enti me ntua na cha sa de no enti me enkoba so mu player you can say Moise Cassidy enti me mesi akan enti me emfa ma Boboko a you can say Arsenal de Ghana the patro transfer window sleep here no ya de clubs in Spain ye pa na uro mu a Chelsea enti me spend 610 million euros and yes kaketwa na Liverpool what they compare Chelsea Boboko ne dia ya dia Liverpool since openia ya can say Jurgen Nathaniel Obiba club JK it may pay as Liverpool head coach no me pacho timi spend ne can say 752 million pounds since JK it may free Jackson Boboko can say Borussia Dortmund be pay mo e won ne can say Liverpool ne dia openia no antime spend do kwati this season kwa Chelsea spend 610 million euros na opere can so be JK so etime spend 752 in his entire career na Joao Cancelo okoro Man City and the opere can say Pep Guardiola Salah players are nkofo ji omni so mni mpo ni ye pa ana so mni mpo ne po na so Pep arrecha to so monko enya de obetime no mo aye adwuma no ayo opere can say Ferran Torres okọ Barca Danilo ko Sanso na Eric Garcia nei latest Chelsea Cancelo ne dia babetu dwa fofo se kwala kwaje alisa na bibia so entime kwa kama pa ne se ni no asaso man so na sikasem e pacho awale mu man so god ho nsense ana say ya de bia na board dia opeso tu kwan na ade so entime akwa ye tin so de ma okwakopi won nana fofo no glozia so ye Kumasi pechino metu o de woni akyere mo obo ase kwantempo no so kwa ya de opani betimi apo ne chese okonto mu nsem no wasanse sem ni mina no wetini after board am come 0245167857 fofo no mento fe na obetimi ajo so nti fofo da woro menti no obobo ose koku Cassidy etwa so
okay do akunya ba ko fo ntena so nche serious akankasa na be kan ntie da se pa quick messages wa Johnny Paul St. Jude Niniano nana me control no Sophia Hospital so buy no upon Uncle Joe Johnny Paul never padi misue was say monitoring for my mom from and then Gracious boss my greetings to Filippo. Yes, you know Johnny at the saying champion man or a Sophia government hospital. And what yes, Sophia government for Nina government hospital. We brutal. Me pa so wow Sophia na u timia mo government hospital no mo brutal. Nti ma menche mo nti Johnny bibia kama okay. No be yin the message one now you go boat the message by Starboy. As a message watching the show live and clear at half a mil airport. Champion Obouba more fire. Congratulations to the Pocket Pan Warriors for their massive victory against Asanti Kotoko Crespo. Fufu SOF written clearly shows that Napoli win this year's Scudetto. And I'm also delighted that Real Madrid drew yesterday against Real Sociedad. And then Yasabamo Kom Ahimvi as message Ewoha Ayekamapa. Okay. Young na Skin City. Adepa, man, you have to say something here, pa. I'm a man, why come on? A question be your demo, not then if you're out, you're good, yeah. 4 minutes, young. Okay. You're crank more 2 minutes. Now, that's what was so that. Mamma, Dr. Confidence, and then the stars. So, Utunifo Kukuma was wounty.
The status are
stars, yes, status.
Okay. So the ultimate project you
okay, picture no Obani is yellow, not my soul. Nyankopon abuso na tu. Now wakofa nipa di abesho musa my show. I mean, this is contrary to your career. I mean, it is serious. Me be though. Sir, because of my show. There's a nipa die wa. You would die. Boys na wu no. You would die.
And a man crap
right, my soul.
In the soul.
That here, my soul to confidence and I'll be able to come. Okay, tell my young 5. What I would say, Agyenkwa 101.9 for we a total sports, a fist and petting, yeah, they brought 10 times one. Afi, yet to me, Jamudia Mabia for the Etimakaway, and some of the doors will not become such an upper. We share yani ayebetumi edin sama ebaso dendenden ewompono bet power Premier League mu enso etumi ediabro meka mo sa nyame adma week 15 no ebaso kuada ede yanum ya ene empono ne ya wada so ne jese bibia etumi atoto ye kama enso ha yebom chimu ediamo ne yenko chan tournament a ene Ghana koye yentumi anko yanim na tumi yefri mu quarter finals mu de eba ne Dr. Tony Obin ono a management committee chairman or then somebody atodwa say Black Stars wo bo aban ya ni Niger football na we were symbolic and no brofo papa na jese edimgu asepa menante na mbo momodin bako kra na ye koso ebusa no se empono na ye menante no se musika sambi ana enko ya na so da bi papa na se bibia na bibia choto yo motua menante ne sika nyina dia mo na so omunim de ntia Ghana etumi boss abo na Niger fo tumi eliminate ye Ghana fo eti ye efrimu e wo side medium na en sam na papa na tumi aka no on se mebre as football bebre na eti ama players ne mpo mprenfo a etumi kopiem e wo side medium Ghana Football Association make us say Kwaku de eba ne say omo edi referees no omo empo no gadget bi ababe piemu a ende omo ba be che ediama referees ni nyina na omo so atumi abomu nchemu ediama nyame adom echena empo no enyoma omo de bebegu horom no ye de wonsam ni nchechemu nyina so betumi edi abramu na mahunu de eno so ekoso e hodom tententen a ye bomu nchemu enso atumi etiama ye kone akwakohwe ensam ekoso me patron nsam no edoso ye de nyina no edi brew e wompo no 101.9 FM e wo dwumedi nim so we e total sports na ye de wonsam nyina so atumi edi brew ye ko ne akwakohwe Ghana Football Association make us Division 1 e ade more than 7 nyina no so atumi atodwa and also ye kan wonsam ediama na dempenifo de atodwa ye kan wonsam ediama no chese omo di sika botene every Malcolm e say omo aye sponsors e ade 5,000 Ghana cedis no omo ede kwa koma clubs na bibia so atumi atotodwa kama enso e wo Sarge media mu ye go so efisam petim ede bro ne hu de ekos abrantani din ene mpono owusu banahene enche bia ye ba ben no great abrantani kama ewo bobu kwa din ene mpono ya de bibiani Go Stars asoye na de ebani abrante apia makati ono so nkomodie no guso den and they ono so guso a ono so ebonchemu no ehu de no so ebetumi akoso den de ayebom nchemu so etumi ete ama wo side made mu ye ko ne akwakohwe ensam no mu a me patcho former Ghana Football Association Dr. Yahota Makro wato bomb and they papa no say was match and Ghana and Niger ebo Black Galaxies no who say emrante no about 75% Kwaku papa no say no who say emrante bebre I am more than 35 years 35 years a player so there when you 35 years odu bobo na eba we ya nesa was say was Ghana Black Galaxies and Niger ebo yesi birim 20 21 22 na only the who say Emrante bebre na 75% 35 years and also Dr. Yahota Makro no so e de atoja yebom nchemu enso atumi e de amatefu a eti Agyenkwa 101.10 FM me patcho Dan Owusu wasi akan e de amada Black Stars of Ghana pen and some papa de atoja ne say Ghana football presently say see I watch Ghana footballer me patcho your fundamentals no I weak Bibia at the form and it's say your
total sport
Nimpono ye hwe ne ho poma sibre ne hu se Ghana football e de na ye betumi aye san say your clubs no ekwa na Agyegu your local football no egu akofo mu anesa na ye mfa empono transfers hu san sam kakran fama de njamu na bedefo no so Michael say and some that to just empono ya de adwumadi no liga ekoso no omebo homoden atumi aka empono tofo no omotumi abo adwuma den Steven Owusu banahene ene apia makati the Monsam Edi Atudra, Mepacho coach and the Ding and Shaibu Tanko, and they were Nani Echimuoko Kochi, Karola United. In the first match, Yawada Ebe, one Nekrobia Kumasi Asan Tekoroko, and also ebe to me Aboso Den. Emmanuel Sarkodie, Kotoko player, Neyu, or Kwaku Pimo Kusiakan Ediama Kempon Academy, and also one of my Yabumichimu and so Ediamo, Diana Stars, and Son Sakabrante, Richard Danso, also Kusiakan Afe, Daniel Lomoti, and also the Echimu Diana, we and some Kaka, and also Fisabi, the name in some new way, Editu Yasrebo, Ash Gold, and the Ghana Football Association, Sabno, Yamiya Duma, 3rd February. 3rd February and Sabno Matana so den I want no to me say Sabno Bakanum thereby any and now Motran Sabno so yes champion ango to be a manco champions we pra anasa bro yare into champion to me uncle Pimu I was sa Jumedi no ase na chicken there no biemu den hormo or Jinisika de free champion ho and yasam go Kwaku de Queni me patron Yami Adoma Chanapa share ewo empono flash sports so na chana yabeko Real Tamale United or Mon Piaro anybody nkomo ewo fidie so ne hu de ekọ so nti no mo atude no ente mo fi sam petim ye de asi
okay all right yeah petim manunka ija na message ba kwa busu ha Agyenkwa fe Kumasi 101.9 101.9 yes no ofa etwagu no quick one Rashid Atanasi watching from affordable housing tech Aija Aye Eric Amosi is that Amosi okay Ariko maboni na otmedia femme mama yenche sia ye best yes and the time no pa almost about 17 more minutes Rashid beko ama na fi we flip e dia sorry so Chanenko
Nintienti my emphasis akonya so na yencha eti fo nyina from the total sports now over the weekend matches do run team na basically in the FA Cup Manchester United Boboko no asha say enwuma bia asa do na no any enko ho the year 2013-2014 na papa friend Alex Ferguson etimeja team na si ho no omotimi abrem ya timi abobobo so currently papa friend Eric Ten Hag enwuma bia oye no daddy kire say Manchester United for betimi afom ntoma pa asanso etimi afra biem esan say system papa friend Eric Ten Hag ebono eboa ama Manchester United players no ehu papa no project and the plans are opesa ode edema Manchester United since papa friend Jose Mourinho etimi edge the Europa Cup no edema no Manchester United edin edema so betimi trophy but this season the only team are likely so betimi edge every single trophy in the English soil and even in Europe team my friend Manchester United in the FA Cup the only team in the Premier League I'm betting me every single trophy that they are contending Manchester United
hey Wampa
I say go for you
oh na Barcelona need the other na be me Barcelona and then Manchester United. Do you know why? No, it is true. Go and check. And I'm here Manchester for be supporting Madrid. Manchester and Barcelona. Yeah, papa. Come on, time and come chirem. What they are meant to be chirem. The last time we won our Champions League, Agyenkwa was not company. We won it at Camp Nou. No, the second title that we won. The second one we won. Yeah. Kufusu. No, the Champions League.
The Champions League.
Yes.
The last time we won the Champions League.
That was 2-8. But I'm talking about the second. Okay. The second one.
Okay.
See, I get 3. Yeah. Baby, I jema Kufusu. No, Camp Nou. It was in Camp Nou against Bayern Munich. Yeah. On that day, fateful day, Barcelona supporters from Manchester. Madrid phone boom Manchester. Come the G play Van Nistelrooy and go the am Super Bondi do be kan chero super be kan chero me super na me support Barcelona dada but Superman me be play Barcelona more than any club apart from Manchester United. In terms of patch or men catch ya, you knew no more. Mr. Mo.
The four them bit magic.
You bet magic. No
rush the home fast.
Yeah, but we now Manchester for no.
Liverpool ate film in the FA Cup, in the Carling Cup. Manchester City ate film in the Carling Cup.
Okay.
But they are still in the FA Cup.
Okay.
The Premier League now we are contenders. And now in the Premier League, Manchester United first four no more come.
Okay.
And you might be a papa friend Eric Ten Hag. And they good pronosono say when them the oye. And there are so many matches to go.
Me dem person forget the Premier League, but yen hwe year for the FA Cup no. Europa dia dia be share yenuanom no. Barcelona e be yi omo firim. Yen hwe opponent aka o EFL no mo and FA Cup no.
Arsenal.
Ye man ho.
Man City e firim.
Okay.
For the past 5 seasons, Man City took 101.9.
Okay.
Into the Enka for the past 5 seasons, omo nimbo. Ba omo firim. Into na afro obi atimi Arsenal so you can say the EFL Cup tournament and winning by FA Cup. And it's so much free.
Good.
And I'm Premier League naje. Into no attention in the Premier League. Into in the FA Cup and I say the Carling Cup I'm going to be say Arsenal do best squad ebebo. Liverpool so the nyoma je go awie. Into no in the EFL Cup team my friend Manchester United.
It's likely so obetime.
So obetime aje. And the Europa Cup so no team some no pre no. The last time Tima so the Europa Cup no Manchester United.
And Southampton Newcastle ball.
Enable
FA Cup.
Yeah.
Almost 1-0. I was St. Mary. It is St. Mary.
St. Mary's.
Okay, St. Mary's, sorry. And then watching Manchester against Nottingham Forest. Match back one. Yes, I give no. It was just winning Newcastle so winning. I never go finals no. Yeah. And Tima this season in Europe 101.9. What me keep a clean sheet at Newcastle United.
Yeah. Even in Premier League.
Yes. Into when your team good to do you Manchester now cause you be show mo fala namasa Obouba heading Newcastle the FA Cup no.
Yeah.
It's a minute. What do come company by that.
You know, first akonya so na United boys na show mu kran say.
Okay.
Team no call from but asanso amani muso.
Thank you.
Now in the FA Cup, Papa friend Georgian club. Cassidy, Jim Bia, Papa friend Georgian club. How bet me afa so revive on home. Papa friend Georgian club. As in the managerial career no in the year 2001. Then you know you can Okofor team my friend Mines 05. Okofor from relegation. In the year 2004-2005 no. What me at the Mines about the Bundesliga proper. Now after 2 seasons, what me a struggle yeah. In the year 2006. Papa friend Georgian club, so editing my friend Mines 05. I go back to the Bundesliga B. Now in the year 2007-2008, and what me eja ho, ebe PM Borussia Dortmund. What me eba and na Bayern Munich dominated the Bundesliga. Bayern in the year 2011-2012. Emma on a branch friend Marco Reus, Lewandowski munino etimi eboye Emma Borussia Dortmund boys no etimi and this sad trend no. I'm with me edge the Bundesliga no, in back-to-back occasion. In the year 2011-2012, UEFA Champions League final. Omoniti my friend Bayern Munich etime share no. Papa friend Georgian club etime Jumason edima my friend Borussia Dortmund. Now in his last season, Adadona Ekase in his 7th season biano, ayana nyomamu edemano. My Borussia Dortmund, what me do the Bundesliga in the year 2011-2012 run, etimi etwas no. After in his last season, what me edomo edi the 7th position. Now what me edja Juman etwa in the year 2015, ebe PM our Liverpool. Okofa Sadio Mane, Mohamed Salah. After 40 years and still counting, what me ebo team my friend Liverpool. Ama mutimi edge the Premier League. What me ebo mutimi edge the FA Cup. Any single trophy. Na Liverpool contest biano Papa friend Georgian club etimi eboama Liverpool bobuko no etimi edge esomuna so na the 7th season at Liverpool. Liverpool currently at the league log on the 9th position with 29 points. Arsenal the Gunners 50 points. Into the other points are Liverpool with the team at the 1st position. Any team in the Premier League now all cost adding. So Osani Abafom into the area, so Papa friend Georgian club, every team at changing dimensions. No, it in his last 5 matches, what team lose 2-1 against Brighton, 0-0 against Chelsea,
Brighton esanso esheno papa friend Gilberto De Zerbi the Italian international esia papa friend Georgian club ayana nneomo mu edin edeba papa friend Georgian club na kudos to Abrantia your friend Mitomo the Japanese international Abrantia no etimi ase in the nice shoes of Abrantia friend no Leandro Trossard wetimi adjoin team friend Arsenal inti yemo Brighton bobo kono yemo mabaso na papa friend Georgian club so yanhwe so betimi attend tables as last season wetimi a German poster boy Abrantia friend Sadio Mane etimi ko PM Bayern Munich Abrantia friend Minamino as so etimi efri ho Divock Origi the golden substitute as so etimi efri ho okofo down in names from team friend Benfica Cody Capo from Philips Eindhoven at Stone and Abrantia no etimi eya so no nyoma entimi emfa Fabio Carvalho and Atta Melo from Juventus so Stone na no nyoma etimi ayedin Adama Liverpool say in the second round of the league, you know, obetimi attend tens around. And I see the middle year, no. Uko PML Benfica. Papa is a new Costa, or a former player at the team my friend AC Milan. You know, kind the year 2001-2006. What me AC kind of be at the team my friend AC Milan. Now uko football more. Yawo president be a no more hard James. So upo player twa. Atetia uye tima omudu be fam no yegina ye kan papa friend Aurelio De Laurentiis of Napoli Koulibaly case in the year 2016-2017 yegina ye kan Abrantia friend Gonzalo Higuain move our team aye from team friend Napoli eko PM Juventus yegina ye kan Abrantia friend Dries Mertens Lorenzo Insigne munyina no esi akan no eya na edin se papa no ne poster boy betimi eja no se onko team no ehunu se oso echen no the likes of our friend Danny Levy Luka Modric mo and Gary Bale munyina no ekopiem Real Madrid no atetia wode for voluntary press etimi efrem no enti se uye team na open president ya mabobom din the likes of Silvio Berlusconi of AC Milan and Eddie Woodward munyina no se open players na edin so betimi enyomo into papa your friend Rui Costa our president Edmund Benfica Abrantia friend Enzo Fernandez Chelsea for some pa Abrantia na senior papa no 88 Chelsea boboko no reasons are Chelsea Abrantia friend Enzo Fernandez they say who said DM no Abrantia your friend in goal Kante and etimi so masasa and Fonsa Jorginho etimi ebe boy ma mutimi Manchester City in the year 2021 in the UEFA Champions League no Abrantia friend in goal Kante entimi emomoda match fitness watanto edimo no enti Chelsea boboko ehwe sa Abrantia friend Enzo Fernandez omusa ebetimi aka no in history Abrantia and as a team friend Benfica ura Yao Felix obutimi eton 113 million euros ema ko piemu ewa Atletico Madrid obutimi eton down the last season last season at the team friend Liverpool 85 million pounds obutimi eton Abrantia friend Ruben Diaz at the Manchester City Ederson Morales Ausia Kain at the Man City no as the vessel Di Maria and Fabio Contrao nyina no etime free team friend Benfica ntia katima omo the team kwala no from the youth rank na uye team na also mo player there na oba abe former player na also obo ho ye esan say omo president no no munum adwuma omo ye sidi yemeniti no ma yem fancy na de aka no fa emirate for
all right Philip 3 minutes bi na yenko
Kwaku yem shemre na so but really a quick one Kwaku na me hwe Premier League results by over the weekend na my main for akonya wisame mom yankasa madam for coach Michael Semiki abaso Kwaku Miki ye adwuma or ye adwuma pa bibiani Gold Stars or ye adwuma and the last season was struggle kakra until say say okonya asa away win e wo doma baby a house ne kwa ko motehwe no
okay
when last season ko for 3 points it mean my bibiani Gold Stars to survive
101.9
this season Kwaku you see Gold Stars that 5 FIFA on the league log between Wamuni and Adriana Stars or that's wrong a difference of 2 points enti bibiani adwuma say especially about Tamale no what makonya 3-2 away win against Tamale City and of course in doing so no na Abrantia feno abed nego tete e make ni debut yama goals also nya 2 goals in that particular game nti yama coach Michael Asaba so
also 2 goals
over 2 goals abed nego about 2 goals there is Zlatan about 2 goals and ra Tamale yes enti omayade mediama house of folk Yes, this season media might struggle kakra. Obia watch media games bia will attest to that. But Team Sibua, no matter what, go where say Obetmakofa win at home grounds. And we, apart from 2016 at Kenichi Yasuhashi, now me catch last week he said me kai say 6-7 years ago and a house of folk. And when you say win no e takwa and okra then the goal was scored by Andy.
101.9.
Apart from that, house Nkonya win takwa bio. And over the weekend, coach a friend Slavko Matic, why the Juma say as a brofon kwa no mutimi kwata kwa peke resource. And that's still to not follow. House of folk mutimi kwa we Konya sa win. Then let's put this on record. This season our Bet Power Premier League, House of Folk, any the only Premier League clubber or ma picking more away points.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Apart from so Mulusu 5 players to Chantimono. Only the only club on ma picking more away points. It's all the away league table neba. House of Folk is on top. Tiano catch was a House of Folk this season away ni ye.
It's a problem no fear.
Hey home no is any House of Folk problem. Because match na fail lose points be against Dreams FC. Any couple of other points we lose no home and no and Adrian House of Folk to yes sir. And apart from losing these 5 top players for Chantimono, and House of Folk was still leading the Ghana Premier League table. Enti Yamo coach a friend Slavko Matic and so Abaso. Now Kwaku